I'm Julia from Reynolda, here with another video to inspire you to be creative at home. This time, we're going to turn a printout into a game that you can use for inventing your own stories, on your own or with friends. We have printable pages that you can turn into cubes with 6 different images. When used together, you can roll the cubes and then get an assortment of story prompts that have been inspired by things connected to Reynolda's house or its history. Like, let's see, these roller skates, for example, that you could find in the basement at Reynolda. Before you make your own story cubes, you might want to take a look at our Explore Reynolda card that's linked below. This has a picture of Eastman Johnson's painting, The Storyteller of the Camp, and it offers some questions for you to think about or talk about while you look. Then we've got some other storytelling ideas for you to try in addition to the game with these cubes. So let me show you how to make and use these storytelling cubes. First, you'll need a printer and paper to print out the templates. If you have heavy paper like cardstock, that would be best, but you can use regular printer paper too. Some of the cubes have color, but you can print them in black and white. You'll need scissors and glue of some sort. You can use a glue stick, a few tiny dabs of liquid glue, or double-sided tape. One of the templates is blank, so you'll need something to draw and color with, a pencil and maybe some colored pencils or markers. The last ingredient is your own imagination, but you might want to invite a friend or family member to join too. Begin by printing out the story cube templates onto cardstock or other paper. There is one with places where your story might take place, animals that might be characters, games that could create some action in your story, and a template for you to create your own cubes with your own drawings. After printing, cut out your cubes along the solid lines. Fold inward along all dotted lines. You can use the handle of your scissors or the top of the glue stick to help make crisp folds. To stick the cube together, you need some kind of adhesive. If you're using a glue stick, put a scrap sheet behind each tab while putting glue on the tabs. Attach the tabs to the inside of the cube's sides. If you use double-sided tape, put a small piece on each tab, remove any liner, then stick the tabs inside the cube's sides, lining up the dotted lines with the edges. Repeat with other finished cubes. You can add your own colors to the cubes before you cut them out. For the blank templates, print as many as you'd like, but make sure you draw a picture on each side of the cube. There should be 6 in total. Think about elements you'd like to add to your story. For example, this cube will have things related to magic. You could create a cube with another set of characters, or perhaps science fiction story elements. To use the cubes, you can play by yourself or with others. You can roll the cubes one at a time as you tell the story, or roll them all at once at the beginning and then create a story with all the elements on the tops of the cubes. If you're playing with others, take turns telling parts of the story. If someone adds an element to the story and it's your turn next, accept what they offered and keep the story moving. Share your creations on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter using #ReynoldaAtHome. Find more videos, helpful downloads, and other resources at the Reynolda at Home page on www.reynoldahouse.org.